Hello. So I got a package in the mail from Amazon. I didn't order anything from Amazon, so I was very confused as to what it is, right? I didn't order this. It's a helmet. My dad bought me a helmet because I passed out in the shower. I just passed out in the shower. Shut up. That is a nice helmet though. I will give him that. I texted him and he informed me that there was also a snorkel. The snorkel is also pink. I'm ready to shower now.
Put your back into it.
Once we finish baking them, I have this cute little like carrier we can put them in to take them to your mom's.
That's hers.
I know! So these are the shapes I chose. I tried to pick ones that would probably be easy to get out. And then we're gonna do little mini cookies. Ooh. Good thing I got this rolling pin in my FabFitFun. Shout out Charlene for my FabFitFun. Can't handle the pressure of making Christmas cookies. Oh my gosh, what's on my hoodie?
There's a handprint on your butt.
There is? Where?
Is it gone? No, it's there.
Where? All right, we just started decorating, but look at how cute. Why the heck did Chris Ross just punch Chris Rock in the penis? Not to toot my own horn, but I think I may have found my calling in life, and it is decorating Chris's cookies. Okay, so like, so cute. Look at my snowman. Look at those ones. Look at these. Look at how cute they are.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
Good.
A little tired.
I feel that.
Quick debrief. How do we like our guest lecturer?
Look at him. I kind of want to get on it. Nick, I want to get on it.
You know those impulses that,
I'm letting the intrusive thoughts win.
don't do it.
Yeah, no, definitely cannot hold my body weight. I won't ride the bison. Don't make him hit his girlfriend. You want to go in the night? I guess I should probably go into work now.
Oh, yeah.
It's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna set this up somewhere. I'm trying to figure out where it's gonna look the coolest. Are we gonna get in trouble for being in this?
Why would we?
Sorry. We're picking up our smoothies. We are currently picking up smoothies from like our favorite little like cafe in town. And then we're gonna go do a hike. The smoothies. Did they give you straws? Nice.
No one even knows how hard life was, and I don't even think about it now because I finally found you. Well, sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio.
My fanny pack is Can.
Her fanny pack, Can.
Bath time for the babies. So precious.
Got the cash? Yeah, how much?
$5.50.
Let me see it first. What is it?
Creamer. It's coconut.
All right, I'll take it.
Fine.
My plasma has been donated. What is up, vlog? Let's make it more extra. What up? So, I was supposed to have someone come over to hang out, and I ended up deep cleaning my entire house, and they totally stood me up. Literally stood me up. They stood me up. I got stood up. Instead of dwelling on it, I thought we could just spend the day together. I just went and got myself Starbucks to try and cheer myself up. And I think we should do hair. We're gonna start with this heat protectant. I didn't even turn it on. So stupid. I just got this Crimber and I haven't really used it, so I don't know if this is gonna turn out good. Perfect. Moment of truth.
Wow.
I don't know how to do hair. It's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the whole thing and then I'll come back and show you guys. Here it is. Here she is. It's subtle. I like it. It's cute and it's, I don't know, okay, obsessed. We're gonna take an adventure to the mailbox. What the? Who left their lid? Literally, who put their lid on my front doorstep? There she is. We are not 5. Are we 4? We are not 4. Are we 6? We are not 6. Are we 7? All the mail was for Meadow, but that's okay. I was really hoping that my black pair of these, ew, ugh, my socks are so dirty from walking outside. I was hoping the black pair of the pants I'm wearing right now were in there, but they weren't. Okay, the elevator literally sounds like it's gonna explode. I just wanted to show you my lunch, but maybe I should document the ride in case I die. Nah, we're good. We made it.
Are you using your mobile app today?
Did I get up early so that I could go and get McDonald's breakfast? Yes, I did. Do you think it bites?
No, it's friendly.
Oh.
You think that one's friendly?
No, that one for sure bites. Are you matching mine?